welcome back to the channel. So have you been filming your content in English and you want to push that content to like other countries that are not English speaking? Stick with me to the end of this video, because in today's video I'll be showing you how you can translate your English to like other countries. I'm also going to be showing you how to know the countries you're going to be translating your English video to. Now this way is going to help boost your views on YouTube, because you're not only pushing these videos to English speaking countries but to other countries like Spanish, French, Indian, and other countries you can mention all over the world. Now, this is going to be a very practical and very simple step and method I'm going to show you. So if you've been having like low views on your video, this video is going to help you, because you're not only going to push your content out to English speaking countries, but also to other countries that are not English speaking. So for example, this content I'm filming now, I'm filming it in English, but there's a way I'm going to translate this English, and people in French are going to be watching it. People in other countries like Spanish, Italian, different countries all over the world can be able to watch my video and learn from it or understand what I'm trying to pass in that video. I tried this on one of my videos and I've seen an increase in my views. So I'm here to share with you, because I always want to show you guys what I've been trying on my channel and what has been helping me grow. So like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. Without wasting your time, let's just get right into this video. Going to do is to make sure we know where our audience, or we know the country or the language we're going to translate our video into. So what you're going to do is go over to your YouTube studio, click on it, and head over to your analytics and to the part that says audience. Now this is the geography of my viewer, so this is basically for my own video. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing for your own channel. So click the geography. So we're going to check the countries. Now this is for all. We also have for videos as well. So since this is for our long form content, which is the video, I'm just going to head over to the video as video parts. Now this is my audience. As you can see, I have Nigeria, United States, Indian, United Kingdom, and the rest. So since United States is already an English speaking country, I'm just going to check Indian. Now you're going to check Indian. I have India in mind as my audience that watches my content. I also have Ghana as well. Then Canada is an English-speaking country. Then we have Sweden. Swedes are watching my videos. Zambians are watching my videos as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose between Indian or Sweden to translate this video. Now you're going to do this individually for your videos. So if I choose, let's say, Indian for this one, my other video that I'm going to translate is going to be Sweden or another language. I don't know if that makes sense. Now, even if you don't have any languages and the countries that are watching your content are only English speaking, it's still fine. You're still going to choose like Spanish, Italian, or French, or other languages. I don't know if that makes sense. So now for me, or for the purpose of this video, I'm going to change it to Indian. Now this is what you're going to do. After noticing that, I'm going to head over to my Google Chrome. So as you can see, I just went to Google to check the official language of Indian. So I'm saying Hindu, but Indians also speak English. I'm going to translate this particular video to Hindi. Head over to our YouTube desktop site. So as you can see, this is my YouTube Studio desktop site. I'm going to click the content part. Now I'm going to choose a video that I want to do this. So let's do this on my video that I posted recently. I'm going to click on the video. Now it's going to bring you to this part. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on this part that says translate, or subtitles rather. Once you click on it, click on this part that says English video language, and also tap on the pen icon. Now it's going to bring you here. You notice that this auto translates is not clickable, like you cannot click it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back and click on English automatic caption, which is the second option. Now you seeing the pen icon has come up. Click on the pen icon. Now you're going to see that these are all the words spoken in my video. As you can see, these are the words from the beginning to the end. Now you can go through it. If there are any mistakes, you could correct them. Okay, I've gone through mine and I think it is very, very okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll upwards to the part that says publish. Then I'll click on publish. So after clicking on publish, it's going to bring you to these other parts. Okay, you're going to click on add language. Now you see I'm just going to scroll up to the part where I'm going to find Hindi. Hindi or Hindu, Hindi. I'm going to click Hindi, as you can see here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this dash here. Click on the pen icon. Now you see that the auto translate icon has popped up. So I'll click on auto translate. So this is my video being translated to Hindi, as you can see. So make sure you click publish. Hindu subtitles has been published. So my subtitles are going to basically be in Hindi. This means that my audience from Indians that don't understand English are also going to watch my video. This is going to increase my views and also increase my subscribers because more people are going to watch my video. Now, this is for Hindi. You can do this. Let's do it for another of my video. Let me show you. So let's click on this other video. I'm going to click on this video. It's going to take me to this part. I'm going to click on subtitles. Now I'm going to click on this automatic caption. Click on it again. You're going to see the pen icon. Click on the pen icon. Now it's going to take you to this part where you have the words of your videos. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on publish. And click on add language. So I'm not going to add Hindu to this one. I'm going to change the captions to Spanish or French. So I'm going to click on add language. Then I'm going to check for French. Once I see French, I'm going to click on French. And I'm going to click on this pen icon. Click on it again. Then click on auto translate. You see, it has translated everything I said in this video to French. So I'm just going to click on publish. Now you see French has been published. So you can still add another language if you want. Let's see if that works. I'm going to click on add language again. And I'm going to click on, let's say, Spanish. So I'm going to click Spanish. Click on the dash. Click on the pen icon. Then click on auto translate. It has translated my words to Spanish. I'm going to click on publish. So this is going to help people from these countries are also going to watch your videos, even if you're not speaking their language, but it's going to auto translate that English into Spanish, into French, into Italian and other countries and other languages people speak all over the world. This way, you're increasing your chances of getting more views, getting more subscribers, and also taking your videos to another level. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and don't forget to click on the video on your screen